First, let's do the exercise. And now let's do the etude. Well, this concludes the whole book. I've finished the entire book of all the 36 etudes in this opus. And if you followed me along so far on this journey, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and appreciate your attention as always. I also wanted to share with you that I have a few openings in my studio. So if you feel like online lessons are a good fit for you and you think you can learn in this format, I'll be more than happy to talk to you about this and see if we can arrange some lessons. You can visit my website. There's a link for a contact form, which is very, very short, and I'll be happy to reply. Thanks again in advance, and again, thank you for watching my videos.